I wanted to show you that my daughter Jasmine is making roll-up chicken breast filled with spinach and cottage cheese. Here at home, everybody cooks. I try to invite my kids to the kitchen so that they learn how to cook for themselves. And here Jasmine, my daughter, is helping me make these amazing and delicious roll-up chicken breasts filled with an amazing filling. And here you have baby spinach, cheese, cottage cheese, and the seasoning. Of course, you are going to have all the ingredients in the description box. But I wanted to show you step by step how my daughter is making and preparing these amazing roll-up chicken breasts. Very easy to prepare. They come out really tender, really moist, and the flavor just amazing. Well, here she's getting everything ready. Of course, she's going to add some juice of orange juice into the chicken breast. Let me show you. Look at these. This orange juice is from my garden and it has a lot of juice, so she is using one. If you want to add orange juice, all the in the description box, you're going to find all the ingredients she used to make this amazing roll-up chicken breast. Once you add your orange juice, you're going to cover it. You're going to let it rest for at least 30 minutes. When it's done, believe me, the chicken breast is going to be nice and tender, nice and with all those spices, it's going to absorb everything, believe me. Once you make this amazing recipe, you are going to continue making this chicken roll-up stuffed with spinach and cottage cheese. And here she's going to put it aside for at least 30 minutes. After the 30 minutes, she's going to fill them in with this delicious baby spinach, cottage cheese, and of course, Mexican blend cheese. To this, she's going to add 3 garlic cloves. She's going to dice it really good. Look at this. Once she starts with the garlic, you could really smell the aroma of the garlic. And believe me, more garlic, the better these chicken breasts are going to taste. Always remember to please prepare your chicken breast before you add the filling. Look at this. Once you add all the ingredients in here, remember that the salt is to taste. She's adding onion powder. She's going to add the blend Mexican blend cheese, and then some salt. Remember that the salt is to taste. Of course, that she's going to use her hands to mix everything, to have everything nice and incorporated before she starts filling the chicken breast. Look at this. Look how delicious this looks. Nice and healthy, delicious. Of course, made with that pinch of love. When you make it at home, everything comes out amazing. I am sure you're going to love it. Well, once everything is nice and incorporated, then you are ready to start filling your chicken breast. Once you can make a ball like this, that means that it is ready to add into your chicken breast. And let me show you step by step how this looks. She's going to go ahead and start getting her baking dish ready. She added a little bit of vegetable oil right on the bottom. And now she's ready to prepare the chicken. Always remember to preheat your oven to 400 Fahrenheit. It's going to go in the oven for about 1 hour. And here I have the chicken breast. She's going to go ahead and start adding the mixture, the filling of the baby spinach, the Mexican blend cheese, and of course, the cottage cheese. Look at this. Look how easy this is. You don't need a toothpick. You just roll it up. The seam goes down so it doesn't open while it cooks. And she's going to continue making the same thing. Look at this. It really doesn't take too long. And you can make enough and the leftovers are going to taste amazing the next day. Look how easy this is. Like I said, you don't need a toothpick. You just roll it up. The seam goes down and you put it in your baking dish. Preheat your oven at 400 Fahrenheit. This part is very important before you add your chicken to the oven. add your chicken breast into a very hot oven. Look at this. This is going to come out amazing. And all these ingredients, I am sure you have them at home. Very easy to find, very easy to make. Of course, it's not too it's time consuming, but yet it's not too expensive to make these amazing chicken breasts in the oven. Once you have everything in here, you're gonna cover it with foil paper, and then you're ready to put it in the oven. You're gonna put it in the oven at 400 Fahrenheit for 1 hour. For 45 minutes, they're gonna have the foil paper. The last 15 minutes, you're gonna uncover them and let them cook for 15 minutes only. The total is 1 hour in the oven. Once you put them in, do not open your oven until the time is done. If you liked and loved this recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me thumbs up, share this video on social media, and I want to say thank you. Thank you so much for supporting my channel, supporting my family. Look at this. They come out nice and tender, nice and sweet, nice and moist. You're really going to love this. And I added some Brussels sprouts, garlic Brussels sprouts, and some pasta. And those two side dishes, you already have them on my channel, and I am sure you're gonna love them too. Look at this. This just looks amazing. The aroma that the chicken is leaving in my kitchen, just amazing. I am sure you're going to love it. I have the mac and cheese already on my channel. I have the buttery garlic Brussels sprouts already on my channel. On the Brussels sprouts, I'm going to add a little bit of pepper flakes and Parmesan cheese right on the top to give it a little more flavor. But the chicken breast comes out tender, sweet, moist. I can't wait to enjoy it, to tell you the truth. I hope you give it a chance and you make this amazing chicken breast roll-ups filled with baby spinach and cottage cheese. I can't wait to taste, so I'll see you in just a little bit. My friends, I am completely done with these amazing stuffed or roll-up chicken. Stuffed with cottage cheese and spinach and cheese. This is the part I really love and enjoy. Tasting my recipes. The chicken is so tender, really crispy on the outside, but the inside is so moist. Just amazing. And the two side dishes, of course, you already have them on my channel. The mac and cheese, the Brussels sprouts, and of course the main ingredient, the roll-up chicken. Excuse me. Amazing. Let me tell you, the chicken is really moist. The flavors are amazing. All the spices that we added, just perfection, made at home. I hope, my friends, you make this amazing recipe. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated, so every time I make an amazing recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share. And I will stay enjoying this amazing homemade food made with lots of love. See you on my next delicious recipe. Bye-bye.